write about fruit. You know so many fruits, right? But you don't know their spellings. So today in this video, you are going to know the fruit spellings and we are going to write one sentence on that fruit. Okay? So let's start. This is a, what is this? This is a, so L-E-M-O-N. This is a lemon. What color is a lemon? What is the color? Its color is yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Are lemons sweet or sour? Have you tasted it? Okay. So taste is sour. What is this? Sour. Now write a sentence about a lemon. This is a yellow lemon. Lemons are sour in taste. Now comes, what is this? This is a strawberry. Strawberry, S-T-R-A-W, straw, B-E-R-R-Y, berry. Strawberry. What color is a strawberry? What color is it? This is red in color. So we are going to write here R-E-D, red. Do strawberries have seeds? Strawberries have seeds in their outer part. See, there are so many seeds. So here we can write yes. Write a sentence about a strawberry. Strawberry is red in color. See how I'm writing this? Or else you can say strawberries are sweet or sour. Tell me in the comment section. Strawberries have seeds. Okay. So these are two sentences on strawberry. What is the fruit? Yes, this is a blueberry, but there are many. So we can write here, these are blueberries. So do you know blue spelling? B-L-U-E, blue. Then berries, B-E-R-R-I-E-S. Now what color are blueberries? They are blue in color. Okay, B-L-U-E. Do blueberries grow in trees? No, they grow in bushes. They grow in bushes. Now comes write a sentence about blueberries. Okay, so blueberries you can write, blueberries are blue in color. Okay, this is very simple. So this is the first sentence. Second sentence, blueberries grow on bushes. So this is the bush. Here are the blueberries. You can see it. Okay. Now comes, what is this? It's a watermelon. Yes. How can you write watermelon? W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Okay. So what color is a watermelon? Red inside and outside green in color. Okay, so red inside. Do watermelons have seeds? Yes, there are so many seeds. When you are eating, you are going to spit it. Yes, write a sentence about a watermelon. So watermelon is a summer fruit. Okay, watermelon is a summer fruit. Do you like watermelon? If you like it, then you can make a sentence. I like to eat watermelon. And another one is watermelon is a large juicy fruit. Yes or no? Okay. You are going to write like this. Are you watching? Are you learning? Okay. Do like, share and subscribe. And please follow our FB page, Kidoctive Homeschooling. Now, I am going to read this. You are going to write this, okay? And tell me in the comment section. This is a, what is this? You are going to write here. What color is a banana? What is its color? You are going to write the color. What do bananas grow on? Where bananas grow? You are going to write here. Write a sentence about a banana. Okay? So make 1 or 2 sentences. Okay? Thank you for watching, my little ones.